Is Siri not responding or talking after updating to iOS 18? This might be caused by new setting changes, bugs in the update, or audio issues. Don't worry, in this guide I'll show you simple steps to get Siri talking again. Solution 1. Enable Siri from Accessibility. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Siri, scroll down, enable Always Listen for Siri. Solution 2. Check Siri's language settings. Open Settings, tap Siri, tap Language and ensure the selected language matches the one you use. If not, change it. Solution 3. Check Accessibility settings. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, scroll down and select Siri. Toggle off Type to Siri is turned off as it disables spoken responses by default. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. After completing these steps, Siri should be talking again after the iOS 18 update. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.